Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today marks the 8th consecutive day of selling pressure in the markets with the Nifty closing in the red once again. In 2025 so far there have been total 43 trading days, but FIIs have been net buyers on only 2 occasions. This persistent fall is particularly interesting given strong performance of the US markets, and not only overnight, but if you look at from past few days, global markets, mainly US Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq, they had been performing very good compared to Indian market. Nifty futures made a low at 22,850 levels and closed around 22,972 levels. Nearly all sectors deep in negative territory. Mainly small cap and mid cap stocks have seen a very strong fall. In today's analysis, we'll dive into whether this fall might find a floor here or if we can expect further downside. We'll also review how the markets responded to our analysis from yesterday. And before we dive into today's analysis, if you are enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more insightful market updates every day. Coming to daily analysis, let's start with Nifty. If you have gone back to my yesterday's video, I was speaking about 22,850 levels is high likely. So that's what happened today. If you look at the mechanical reference, whatever I was speaking, that has been cleared, and just below that 22,846 levels is the low. The price got rejected and there was a sharp upside move trapping all the late sellers. Today morning the opening itself was inside the value area, indicates the non-directional traders have opened the market, but immediately if you focus here, the price itself has closed outside the value area, and even in second 30 minutes there was a strong rejection from the inside value area of yesterday. This is the first sign that directional traders are trying to take control from the non-directional traders or the value traders of yesterday. So what happened in C period, there was a strong down move towards the value area of day before yesterday, and it cleared the reference which I was referring around in yesterday's video at the 23,060 levels, and it has also cleared the poor low at 23,898 levels, and Nifty straight away went for 22,850 levels, which I was referring in my yesterday's video. Nifty has took a support around this area, then so there was a strong pullback towards 23,050 levels. So finally Nifty itself has closed around 22,970 levels. And for Monday, what you should be looking is that, guys, if you look at the overall sentiment itself is negative because the total value area is lower low along with the POC and etc. So for any kind of long opportunities, you need to watch for whether the Nifty will sustain about 23,140 to 160 levels. So any sustaining here, you can expect easily 23,250 to 23,300 levels. This is the second target, and third target it might even go for 23,450 levels. This single print might act as a good resistance for Monday. So any opening below this, look for a price rejection below this level and try to trade downside towards value area low at 22,860 levels, and then Nifty might even go for 22,800 levels. If you come to daily analysis, what we can clearly see is that you need to watch for 22,700 levels. So this is where a strong supply has come. Any sustaining below 22,700 to 800 levels, there is a possibility sellers will try to take control. So even today's rejection is around the previous low levels at 22,800 levels. So below this level, Nifty needs to sustain for at least 1 to 2 hours. Then we can safely assume that Nifty might go for 22,000 levels, and it might even come down to 21,800 levels. So till then you can expect some kind of bounce towards 23,570 levels, or even upside also is very much possible. So this is with Nifty, guys. Now let's go back to Bank Nifty. Even Bank Nifty has opened inside the yesterday's value area, but yesterday itself the price got accepted inside Wednesday value area. So whenever you see acceptance inside previous value areas. It's almost pretty much confirmed that those value traders will try to take the markets towards the other side of the value, which is 49,240. So in C period it has tested the value area low of Wednesday, and then again prices went down to the lows of 48,900 levels. Now why it went again? The low of Wednesday itself is a poor low. These poor structures, they get tested out somewhere around 215. There was a strong recovery all the way up to 49,500 levels. So for Monday again, you need to watch for how the price reacts around 49,650 to 49,700 levels. So any acceptance here, we might see easily 50,000 levels. First target. Second target 50,200 levels. Third target, I think it might even go for 50,400 levels. So till prices gets accepted above 49,600 levels, there could be a further one more round of selling. So going on to daily time frame, what happened? Today's low itself has broken the 12th Feb low. So there is a good possibility the sellers from 20th Jan area, they might try to take control and push the prices towards 48,500 and 48,000. But look for these levels, guys. So the low itself stands as a good reference point. So any sustaining here for 30 minutes to 1 hour, we can expect further downfall to 48,500, and it might even come down to 48,200 to 300 level. Here somewhere around this area there was a strong fall, like it happened in Nifty also. So, but Bank Nifty itself has entered this June 4th fall very early. So we might even see 47,000 to 46,000 also is very much possible in short span of time. For that, some kind of strong negative catalyst has to be there. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.